Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be decorating this huge wreath that I got from Michael's. We're going to keep it simple, we're going to keep it glamorous, but most of all, we're going to DIY. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it goes. So you guys, I put the wreath up there and I did not like the way it was decorated. I did not like it without lights. So I took it down. I took everything off. My husband drilled a hole in the wall so I can plug it up because I'm so anal. And now I'm going to string these lights all the way around. And then I'm going to start decorating. This should be plenty of lights to go around there. And I will show you guys the finished process. Okay, so I have looped the lights into the wreath. I feel so much better about it. As you can see, my next thing is my sign. She's so fabulous. And I'm gonna put it about right there. Still super shimmery. So I'm gonna put my sign right there. And I don't know if I'm even gonna add a bunch of decor. I like it like that. So we'll see, but that's where we at for now. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this old fishing line that my husband had in his fishing tackle from like 20 years ago. And I'm going to use that to hang this Merry Christmas sign so you can't see it from up there. So that's step number something. Okay, so right here I had to stand it up because sometimes it's a little difficult to see if it's even or not. And I can see already that I'm going to have to tweak it a little bit on this side. But so far this is what we have. I am going to also tweak the lights because I see a little darkness over here, and probably add a bow. Okay, as you guys can see, I kind of spread out the lights to take away that dark glob. I don't know how the lighting is, how you can see the sign, but that's what it looks like. And I just put a few little picks from the same picks that are on the tree that I got from, what is that place? Big Lots. I got from Big Lots. Tried to keep it simple. I will show you what it looked like before I did this. And I just could not rest that night because it just looked incomplete. I got the simple bow, also from Big Lots, with my sign, and it completes the look that I'm going for. So in my next shot, I'm going to show the wreath on the wall in addition to the Christmas tree.